My name is Eli Powell. I live in Eastern North Carolina and I have a huge passion for videography. About 3 years ago, I started making these random videos on my phone. Although they were unprofessional, I loved doing it, and that's when I discovered my passion for videography. About a year ago, I decided to take my hobby more seriously, and that's when I created my business, Powell Filmmaking. I've spent the last year growing this business by investing thousands of dollars in online training, camera gear, editing equipment and software, and most importantly, experience. I film wedding videos, which are basically highlight reels of weddings so the bride and groom can relive their wedding day for years to come. I also film promotional videos and advertisements to promote organizations and individuals for affordable prices, while still maintaining a high standard of quality that will stand out on social media and television. Additionally, I film events held by organizations such as CCYC, Roanoke Christian Service Camp, and more. Of course, I still do my own projects as well. I have a huge passion for videography, and I strive to make every video better than the last one. So if you want your next video project done with passion, check me out online at powellfilmmaking.myportfolio.com to get in touch with me about your specific video needs. I'll see you there.